We woke up to gusty winds this morning, down trees, even power outages.
And now the cleanup is underway. CBS 2's Jasmine Viel is live in Mission Hills with a look at all the damage. Jazz?
Yeah, and the winds left their mark here in this Mission Hills Park as well. There are palm fronds scattered about, and take a look. This large branch snapped off by those very gusty winds, and over there, that tree hit as well. And elsewhere, the winds did a lot more damage, and thousands of people are still without power today. A steady breeze still blew this morning in Mission Hills after gusting through the valley last night.
Just to hear the howling winds.
It was just outside Bert Gumbiner's home that a large oak fell onto his neighbor's car and took out 3 power poles around dinner time. He was one of the hundreds of LADWP customers in Sherman Oaks still without power this morning. At one point, more than 5,000 customers were still in the dark across the LA metro area.
Yeah, flashlights, candles. Go look for a teapot to boil, see if the gas works and I can boil some water.
Crews worked through the night to remove the tree from Sunny Slope Avenue and get the street back open. The powerful gusts were felt from the beaches to the mountains. More trees toppled in Whittier. People who went outside dodged the flying debris.
I felt the windows kind of shaking a little bit. So, and of course my dog's barking because he thinks, something's going on out there, So we had to take the pots down and put on the patio.
I said, wow, it's pretty windy here.
Fred Flores was eating dinner in Mission Hills when things suddenly went dark.
The lights went out. It went completely black. We look out in the streets, it's completely black outside. And then lights come back on, let's continue our meal, and again, bam, lights go completely black.
A wild night of weather in our usually mild climate. All right, and so back out here live, the cleanup, of course, continues, and power is slowly being restored. But DWP just told me it is a very fluid situation today. Power goes off, it comes back on. We're still looking at anywhere from 5,000 to 6,000 people without power, but hopefully everything back on by this afternoon.
Hopefully.
Back to you guys.
Fingers crossed.
A lot of people were with you on that one. All right. Thanks very much, Jasmine.